Now, most applicants have not made the cut for a central bank initiative, which aims to let financial technology players test innovative solutions. In an update given to Channel News Asia, the Monetary Authority of Singapore says 2 startups have been accepted into its regulatory Sandbox scheme. That's out of more than 30 applicants it has received since the program was launched in June last year. Dylan Lowe reports.
Val Yap refused to let personal tragedy weigh her down. In 2013, the 30-year-old entrepreneur's mother was diagnosed with cancer. The same year, her father died. During this period, Ms. Yap's family struggled to deal with insurance-related paperwork, and this prompted her to try to find a solution for others who had trouble with medical claims. So she started PolicyPal, a one-stop mobile insurance platform, in 2016. So PolicyPal uses artificial intelligence to automatically sort through insurance policies. This cuts down the need to manage stacks of leaflets and papers. With the service, your mobile phone can be your personal insurance manager. PolicyPal and another startup, Crystal Advisors, a digital wealth management platform, are the only 2 that have been accepted into the central bank's regulatory Sandbox program. The Monetary Authority of Singapore started the initiative for financial technology players to experiment within a relaxed regulatory environment. It has said that startups may opt not to roll out a product if it's unclear if it complies with regulations, leading to missed opportunities. So under the central bank's watch, authorities and startups can cooperate to manage risks as both push for innovation within secure boundaries.
I hope that our successful case study encourage Singaporean startups or any startups that are based here to look at new innovative ideas to see how they can innovate certain business processes to optimize or improve them such that it can help the public and also improve lives.
Most of the more than 30 applications for the Sandbox initiative didn't make it as far as PolicyPal, however. Channel News Asia understands there could be a few reasons. 1. The proposals submitted were deemed to not be ready for the Sandbox. 2. The applications fell outside the scope of the central bank's purview for the program. 3. There were other ways the proposals could be pursued without the Sandbox.
Moving forward, I think maybe making the Sandbox a lot more open, or at least clarifying what are the parameters in which this regulatory or a startup who faces the regulatory hurdle can come within the regulatory Sandbox, can make it a little bit more open.
The central bank says over 80% of the applications it received were from financial technology startups.